With your decisions for round 2 and 3, you will also need to complete a financial planning review. This is basically a discussion of all your decisions, and it counts for a lot of marks, so it's really important that you read the instructions carefully and discuss in detail. Let's quickly recap a cash flow statement with some of the decisions that you have made in the game. Fixed expenses or admin costs. Your decisions on marketing, pricing, stock is a part of the daily running of our business and is known as operating activities in our cash flow statement. Whereas the purchases of fixed assets is an investing activity. Remember, if you buy a fridge, that would be an investing activity. And finally, deciding to go into overdraft or issuing shares would be a financing activity. Let's talk you through the financial planning review. The first question asks you to list 3 decisions that you've made for the round. You must write under each section of the cash flow where you put these decisions and then indicate whether it is a cash inflow or a cash outflow. Look at the example and do the same for your 3 decisions. The second question asks you to calculate the net cash flow. How do we calculate net cash flow? You're going to take your closing balance minus your opening balance. Make sure you indicate whether the next cash flow is positive or negative in order for full marks to be awarded to you. Question 3, you have to compare if your decisions that you've made in the previous round with the results of that round. The aim of this question is to test if you can identify whether the decisions you have made have worked in your favor or whether they haven't. If your results are exactly the same as your planning, then your plan worked. And you have to discuss that in detail as to which decisions or circumstances gave you that competitive edge. If your results differ from your planning, then your plan didn't work and you have to discuss in detail why not. After you've identified what has worked or what didn't work, you can formulate a new plan for the next round in the last question. Please note that the focus here is on profit and earnings per share. So you have to explain how your decisions will affect this in order for your marks to be awarded to you. Good luck.